I remember when I used to hang around the dog forum, the Produce forum, someone asked once, what is the best audio school I can go to? And I remember someone, was one of the answers was, the best thing you can do is open the Produce help guide, start learning to do everything without touching the mouse. And that's, in fact, very useful. See, this page right here. In Produce you can do all this really quickly, and I'll show you how. And there you go. Now there's one more thing, which is when you add, and you can, if you clear, let's say you are going to create 3 mono audio tracks, and you clear the name, they are named subsequently 1, 2, 3, goes on. The next part is the I/O, but that's another video. Anyways, these 3 pages you learn from top to bottom, big difference.